Hello and welcome back to Real Literature and Random Videos by Neha Sultana. Today we are diving into the life and work of one of the greatest English romantic poets of all time, John Keats. Stay tuned as we explore the short yet incredible impactful life of this literary genius. Beginning with early life of John Keats. John Keats was born on October 31st, 1795 in London, England. Despite his humble beginnings as the son of a stable manager, Keats displayed an early love for literature. However, his life was marked by tragedy, starting with the death of his father when he was just 8 years old. This was followed by the death of his mother from tuberculosis when he was 14. These events had a profound impact on him, and you can see the themes of mortality and sufferings woven into his poetry. Now literary career. Keats initially trained as an apothecary, but his passion for writing was undeniable. By 1816, he abandoned medicine to fully dedicate himself to poetry. Although he only published 3 volumes of poetry during his lifetime, these works would go on to leave an indelible mark on English literature. His most famous works include the Odes, Ode to a Nightingale, Ode on a Grecian Urn, and To Atamon. Keats was a master of vivid imagery and emotional depth, capturing the beauty and transience of life and personal struggles and legacy. Here Keats' life was fraught with challenges. He struggled with poor health, and in 1819 he too was diagnosed with tuberculosis, the same illness that claimed his mother. When he was very young. In 1820, he moved to Rome in the hopes of recovering in a warmer climate, but his health continued to decline. Tragically, he died on February 23, 1821, at the age of just 25. Though Keats' life was short, his influence on literature was immense. His work wasn't widely appreciated during his lifetime, but he is now celebrated as one of the greatest poets in the English literature. His exploration of beauty, love, and mortality continues to resonate with readers today. And the conclusion is, John Keats once said, a thing of beauty is joy forever, and it's clear that his poetry, though written over 200 years ago, still holds a timeless beauty that continues to inspire. So if you enjoyed learning about Keats, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more literary content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.